Now I want to discuss those problems where the integration by parts will be used. That is, if there are two functions, they are in the form of multiplication, then how we apply the formula of the product, that is, here I have written the sequence for assuming that which function will be taken as the first one. We will observe in the product that which two functions are there. If inverse function is there, we will assume inverse as the first. If inverse is missing and logarithmic is present, we will assume logarithmic as first. If logarithmic is missing, then we will assume algebraic function as first. If it is not, then we come for the trigonometric functions and finally for the exponential functions. Eilate rule, this is known as ILATE. This Eilate rule is applicable just to assume that which function we can take first and which is second. First may be inverse if it is logarithmic, if it is algebraic, if these two not, then algebraic, if these three not, then trigonometric, if these are not, then exponential. Rule for obtaining is u into v dx. U and v are two different functions multiplied, then how we will find the integration. The rule is first, that is u, into integration of second, that is v dx, minus integration of differentiation of first, that is d upon dx of u, into integration of second, that is what, or I can write it here, you just can understand, first into integration of second minus integration of derivative of first into integration of second, and then again this value needs to be integrate. U into v dx is given by u into integration of v dx minus integration of differentiation of first into integration of second whole dx, where u is first function, v is second function. Which function is first? It is not necessary that if u is written on number 1, it will be taken as first. If inverse function is there, then inverse will be taken as first. Inverse is not, then logarithmic will be taken as first. If inverse and logarithmic both are missing, then algebraic will be taken as first. If inverse, logarithmic and algebraic are missing, then trigonometric will be taken as first. If inverse, logarithmic, algebraic and trigonometric are missing, then exponential function will be taken as first. So we will remember it with the rule of Eilate, and Eilate is for assuming that which function needs to require the first, and we will apply this formula. So after understanding it, what is the integration by parts, I will explain you few problems to make you clear how to apply and how to solve.